Before beginning the titration, we need to condition the particle charge analyzer measurement cell. To do this, we draw a small amount of the sample and dispense into the measurement cell. Then we will turn on the instrument, and let it run for a few minutes to condition. Once the reading stabilizes, let it run for about 30 more seconds. And then we can discard that sample into a waste container. Now you are ready to draw your sample and begin the actual titration. We are now going to demonstrate how to clean the particle charge analyzer's measurement cell. In most cases you can simply rinse with tap water while working the piston. For a more thorough cleaning you can use a straight brush to clean the inside of the bore in the measurement cell. You can then use a curved brush to clean the inside of the cup. The piston can also be cleaned using a curved brush. For more severe contamination you can use acetone or other cleaning solutions. Work the piston the same way you would with tap water, and then dispose of the acetone into a waste container. You can also use DI or distilled water for rinsing. Again, you would work the piston the same way you would with tap water, and then dispose of the distilled water into a waste container.